go?
I don't know.
Yeah, I know a good spot right over there, maybe.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah. How's everyone's gear holding on?
Good.
I look like a 3-humped camel.
Well, we should get going over there before the sun sets.
Okay. Well, it's not setting anytime soon.
Yeah.
What time is it?
Don't know.
Almost 4.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Maybe start getting dinner.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Let's go. It's a great spot.
You want to walk in there and look at it before we drive the dirt bikes in?
Yep. Oh, might as well just take the helmets off.
The helmets.
Feels so good.
Feels so good. I have my leg off.
Yeah. Well, let's go check it out.
Oh, it's too late. How much farther to our spot?
Right over there. Let's go.
You can eat.
Well, let's go back and get the stuff.
That's a good idea. Do we have to take the helmets?
Maybe.
Yeah, we should. So I don't get wet maybe tonight if it does rain.
We're probably going to have to take some trips.
Yeah.
Wow. Hot out.
It is?
Yep. Maybe we were here.
Ready?
Yep.
It's already been cut.
Looks good. Ooh, it's tent.
Must be something over here somewhere.
Alright. Weird. Alright.
What'd you find over here?
Alright.
We're right in the middle of nowhere.
Maybe someone didn't have any room because they killed a deer. I don't know. Well, let's just go back to the campsite. Get this off. I don't know.
What happened to you?
We already got to use a Band-Aid. Poked himself with the new broom we found. Thing. A rake, not a broom. Big one. Big one.
What happened?
That rake, it had a crack thing on it. When Pat hit the boat.
Pillow.
Sleeping thing. Nothing medical.
Do you have any Band-Aids at all?
Oh, there it is. Open it up. There's Band-Aids on top.
Sweet.
We need to stitch you up?
No, we don't.
You get a stitchy. We have a stitching.
Ow. You okay? You need a Band-Aid?
Voila.
Okay.
pipes and the rest of the gear.
So,
You're not sleeping on the ground tonight, that's for sure. Well, let's start walking back.
I don't want to sleep on the ground.
No reason to go fast. We're into the tree, guys. Nice little fire pit.
Yep, we came here, perfect spot. Ben knew where the perfect place to camp was. Even a fire pit. Rocks might be a little messed up though. Yeah, I'm gonna fix those. Okay, we got the base of the fire. Now we need to turn the
smaller
stick to start
sticks.
it. And we'll be having dinner in no time. And in salsa. Back here. I'm just looking for some stick. You're my stick. I found a stick. Found my stick!
Got some sticks.
My stick. Hey, stick. I got that stuff though.
Okay,
Food.
put one right here.
We got our little french fries right here. They light perfectly. They're so good.
Right here. They're
Don't eat
not
them.
good, you can't eat them.
Yeah, they're poisonous. Yep. Dude, it's pretty smoky though. Give me that stick. Wait, where's your... We'll just say...
Camping stuff is ready. Well, not quite. We just got in there. We're gonna need to get some, set it all up, and then possibly we can get dinner if we can wait any longer. So ration our food. Remember, take your shoes off.
It's been so long since I've been in a tent. Good, go.
Now the fire is nice at the right position. We can start cooking our hot dogs.
What time is it?
5. Okay, here's a hot dog.
Alright. You can fit 2 on this fancy little Chinese cookie.
Okay, we got buns, everything you need to have a good time.
Except for sauerkraut.
Did we bring ketchup?
Nope.
Great.
We're gonna go out and do a little drive. We've been at camp for maybe like an hour. Then like 2 hours, and now I just want to go drive around.
We're ready to go explore. gonna kind of like sit around. Maybe have another hot dog. Maybe those cookies we brought. That would be pretty good.
Sun's almost down.
It's not even close, Pat. It's only like an hour or two. We're gonna find a tree to climb. Maybe fall off it. Whoa, here we go.
Hopefully not. We made snickerdoodle cookies. Not here, of course. And we have some trail mix and some chocolate and vanilla pudding mixed. We forgot a spoon, so we couldn't mix the pudding and put it on here, right? So we just have a little. Healthy. Right, healthy.
Eat my homemade spoon.
We're gonna wash them off because they're for the oatmeal too.
Where's mine? Is it better?
So much better.
He's already trying to come out. Oh, I can't wait to get to that white stuff.
Not that hungry. What does that sound?
We're gonna hit the hay now. Long day. Tomorrow we'll eat and then probably go home. Well, see ya.
Every time you light a fire, it gets blazing hot. Oh yeah, because we use those leaves and they just stop soaking every second.
We had a rough night, but we're gonna change that around. We're gonna cook breakfast, sit around for a while, maybe
Blaze
drive,
a fire.
then we'll head back. Breakfast.
Lighter, where's the lighter? That's all of it?
Where's it?
What's it got like?
Turn it on. It's on.
How does that work?
Now it's on. Turn it on.
Whoa.
Secret jet boil. What do you think?
Mm.
What do you think the jet boil? Think you're supposed to put that on the fire?
hold it really open.
Good. Mix it up. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing.
So we can do more videos like this.